So I have all the contents of today's ring in this little bucket. I decided to go with jade because I like jade and I haven't actually made anything out of jade yet. But let me show you, I'll show you all these up close in a second. I got the ring blank that I have. I have a jade ring that's missing a piece of jade. I'll try to show you that. And then I have a bunch of this, just random pieces of jade. Here's the ring blank. It's made of titanium and it has 2 slits in it, and it's already all polished up, ready to go. Here's all the pieces of jade that I've collected. Actually, let me see if I can pull this one out. This one is really cool. I'm not going to be destroying this today and making any jewelry out of it, but it's pretty cool. It's a jade eagle or hawk. Come on, focus. This Buddha looks like it was hand carved. I'm not going to be destroying this one either. This is too cool. Maybe in a future video I'll make some use out of him, but for now I'm keeping him. These are the pieces of jade that I'll be working with today in the main thick part of the band. There's some of them, whoops, I'll find that one. Some of them are light green and some are dark green, and some of them actually already are faceted, so we'll see how they turn out in a ring. Trying to do like long dark pieces with other light pieces. There we go. That one has like this spine that'll hopefully turn out good. This UV light actually cures the resin in a couple seconds to where it's workable. See, it's not going anywhere now. So we got dark, we have a light. That one's light. That one's kind of pretty actually. Ooh, there's a really nice light colored one. think that one's going to go right there. Yeah. So now I got a dark and a dark, and I'm just going to try to fill it up with light. Actually, remember this faceted piece? I needed to put that in there. I think at the very end I might set it right on top. Put the fat side. Yeah. So I'll put the fat side towards the thin ring. I think that'll look pretty good. Put that to the side for a while. So the next plan is to fill this up with the glow powder. Emmy, do you want to be in the time lapse? Are you going to be in the time lapse? Huh? Where's your ball? Get your ball. Go get your ball. Get your ball, Emmy. Go get your ball. Get your ball. Go get your ball. Where's your ball? Go get your ball. Oh, you just want to be cute. That's okay. Where's your ball? Get your ball.